Those of you that want to be movie actors, listen up. You know by now that you need fantastic reel footage to seriously be considered by casting, get your foot in the door, and be in the game. It's time to let a professional make you shine in 3 fully produced demo reel scenes. I'm Hollywood filmmaker and Backstage Magazine on-camera expert Ryan R. Williams, and I'm coming to your town to film you in 3 cinematic reel footage scenes that you can add to an existing demo reel or use to create one from scratch. We're going to film you on the best camera, color correction included, sound editing included, and you will be delivering a performance that casting directors will say yes to. Attend this one-of-a-kind event and find out why Brad Pitt, Jake Gyllenhaal, Kristen Bell, Jodie Foster, Owen Wilson, and dozens of A-listers have trusted me with their on-camera performances. We're going to give you some average examples of footage that I want you to check out. We're not showing you the best stuff. We're not showing you the worst stuff. We're just showing you what can be accomplished. What will it look like when you have your walk and talk scene that looks just like it's from a TV show? How will it feel when you go toe-to-toe with another actor in the workshop? And it's great to have these other actors in the workshop because they support you and they make your reel look so much more expensive because there's these people around. And we keep the workshops very small to give you that focused attention, but it's so nice to have some other actors to give life to the scene so it doesn't just look like a fake scene that you made for your reel. Watch the monologue. My students in my weekly acting class always beg me to shoot those monologues for them, and we're going to be coming and doing those for a small handful of you. Now, the seating and the space is very, very limited, so do not hesitate. Footage like this is going to change your life. You book one part on a series that's a speaking role, and you get those residual checks coming in, and that snowballs into an entire career. $1,997 is a drop in the bucket compared to that. I want you to look like a movie star.
You have my number. Give me a phone.
Here we go. Pictures up.